Brian at Monster Transmission. We have your valve body here, your shift plate, and per the instructions of the kit, we drill a 5/64 hole right here. Right there. A 1/8 hole. Right there. And at 3/32 right here. That's your shift plate. On your valve body, we're going to replace the solenoid pressure valve with a steel non-stick valve. Make sure it's nice and free. Put your spring and retainer back in. Okay, and your pressure regulator valve here. Remove the end plug. Check the valve inside of there, make sure that's nice and free. Remove the spring. Replace it with the longer blue spring supplied in the shift kit. And then reinstall the end plug. That'll boost your pressure, make it shift firmer. Now on your 1, 2, and 2, 3 shift valve, the end plug tends to leak. So we replace it with a new one with an O-ring on it, which helps it seal better. Install your retaining clip. Check to make sure all your valves are nice and free. Then you can reassemble the valve body. Install all 8 check balls. Now we can reassemble your valve body. Start with a gasket and backing plate. And you have 2 bolts with dowel pins on the end of it to help line everything up. And you have a bunch of short bolts. Snug these down. Torque them to 60 inch-pounds. flip it over. Install all your check balls. There's 8 check balls in here. And your gasket should line right up over those pins you installed. And your shift plate. These cover plates are lined up a specific way for the veins on here so fluid can pass through. One bolt there. Our rest in here. Torque them. Done with your valve body. Then on your accumulators, we replace the factory springs. These 2 red ones go on the bottom here. Your accumulator. The green on top. All right, your accumulator cover on top. Put some assembly lube on it. Your snap ring ready. Just like so. You add this to this accumulator down here. Strengthen the spring tension. Your cover. Now we're ready to put the valve body back on. Your EPC hold down bracket. Your lockup solenoid. And your shift solenoids. Short bolt goes through the lockup solenoid there. It's a solid one-piece electrical connector instead of wires that goes to all your solenoids here. Snap it down. Your filter. Just installed a level 2 shift kit for a 4R75. If you have any questions, give us a call at Munster Transmission. We'd be glad to assist you.